Hey, good morning to everyone. This is Sharda from Final Become CA. Now, I would like to tell few things about management accounting from the Department of Commerce, deal by Susmita ma'am. Let us see here. Firstly, management accounting definition. Management accounting is the presentation of accounting information in such a way as to assist management in the creation of policy and in the day-to-day operations of an undertaking. Means management accounting, it means presentation of accounting information in such a way to assist the management. It means it is presenting the all the accounting information in the day-to-day transactions. It means it is recording everyday transaction management transaction information in the practical way and day-to-day operations for its undertaking itself. So by this management accounting, we have a scope to forecast and we have a chance to analyze our management. So it's all about management accounting. Then by this management accounting, what is the use for this management accounting means the main objectives are there for us. So let us see the what is the objectives by the help of management accounting means here to assist the management in promoting efficiency. By the help of management accounting only, we have enough scope and we have a chance to forecast our management and our business for the future estimations and to implement our plans in the proper way in the present situations also. And also we have more and more objectives here to interpret financial statements to enable the management to formulate future plans. It means we have a scope for the estimate the future plans and by the help of present situations and also estimating by the past conditions of our business and management. And also it is very helpful for us that to arrange for the systematic allocation of responsibility for implementation of plans and budgets. So by already we have forecasting future, we have a future plans by the help of past plans. So by that we have a chance and we have a scope for the estimations and to implement our budgets in the proper way and to arrange our plans in the systematic manner. Then let us see, we have some functions are there for the management accounting. So what are the functions by the this management accounting means here? First one is that forecasting. I already told you that forecasting means to estimating the future analysis. It means we are making short-term and long-term financial and planning the business for future operations. So forecasting means it is all about analysis of future plannings. So by analyzing of the past and future plans, we have a scope for that short-term goals and long-term goals. So by the help of that we have a chance to analyze our short-term goals and long-term goals to implementing in the practical and proper manner. Then organizing means what? Organizing, it means we have a scope for that human and physical resource of the business. So by the management accounting, we have one idea about our business. Then for that we may arrange our human and physical resource means labor and raw materials and machineries, like that. So it's all about organizing. Then coordinating means what? It is a providing different tools for coordination. Means it's all about among the all the tools and the management members and departments. It creates a effective coordination among all the members and all the tools itself. So tools means what here? It's a coordinating among the machineries and raw materials, labor. It's all about coordination in the management and business. Then one then again fourth one is that controlling means what? By the help of forecasting, we have scope for that to control our cost in the purchasing of raw materials also, and labor cost also, wages also. So like that we have a chance to control our costing, and and also controlling our performance by the standard costing and marginal costing and budgetary control also. Then fifth one is that analysis and interpretation, and in this management accounting we have a scope for to analysis and interpret it, and it creates a more communication to all over the all the tools, and economic appraisal also are there. So this it's all about the functions of the management accounting. So thank you one and all for this golden opportunity. Thank you so much.